Got a 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Got an AEV JT-370 kit on it. About $20,000 in the AEV upgrades. Got the AEV RX front steel bumper. AEV off-road lights with the front trail cam, worn winch. We've also got the LED lighting group. Performance dual vented hood. We've also got Fox shocks. Satin black AEV Bora wheels with 37-inch tires. We're also gonna get some side steps as well. We got the black Napa leather with the AEV stitched headrest all throughout the interior. We got the cold weather group as well, so heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start. We've got an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, Alpine premium audio. Take a look at the back seats. We also got the painted 3-piece hardtop, rear sliding window. Got the LED taillights. Got a rear steel bumper as well. Receiver hitch.